So how do you grab something with a prosthetic limb? Like, I don't know, you can use someone's brain to grab like what their neurons are doing and use that to articulate the fingers in a fine way, which would be fantastic if we had a multi-million-dollar grant and could sell it for 6 figures, but you know, we don't. Our idea is much simpler. As the user bends their arm, kind of like you see right here, it just has a little rod that pushes it and closes it. So one problem though, human hands are just really strong. The average person can, I don't know, have like 100 pounds of force in their hand, and you only get like 20 pounds or so out of here. So like our first model here, you can use it, but you can't grab anything with it. It's just absolutely useless. So right here, we have basically a toggle clamp. So as you push forward, at this point right here, loads of force. You can grab pretty much anything that you want.
Absolutely, because
and then it locks in place when it goes just past it. So you have a really firm grip on something. Like, sure, you're not going to have excellent fine control. You're not going to be able to, I don't know, type on your keyboard with it. But that doesn't matter if you have one good hand, which is what we are targeting. We talked to an actual amputee, and he said the main things that he wants to be able to do is hold a fork, hold a pen, and open the fridge or car doors while he's holding something in his good hand. So like, that's the key thing that he needs, is just to be able to grab a door, open it, and like get something else. Nothing else really matters. It's also super duper strong. So you don't want like something that's like a bunch of fine plastic bits, and then when like the person ultimately goes and they go to sit up and they put all of their weight on the hand, it's no good. So obviously our final design is going to look a lot more hand-like. So now, oh, we don't have it up right now.
Yeah, because it's...
it's level. And then it locks in place.
Yeah, and then it locks in place.
Yeah, here's our final version. So, you know, it's the same thing, just with a nice shroud on it. So it looks way better.
Yeah.
And, you know, as you guys have probably noticed, you can only grab one size thing.
Yeah.
So you have just a little lever on the bottom. This can be accomplished right now with, sorry, Mr. Marker. Just like that, you move it a tiny bit. Lock it, oh, I should not have used an adjustable wrench for this. Lock it back up, and now the toggle point, it's way bigger. You can grab something that's more reasonable sized. So that's basically the pitch.
Very good, very good.